Hi there, it's Angela Critters. We're going to make potatoes with cabbage, fried potatoes and cabbage. And I'm starting off with some sausage. I'm using hot Italian style sausage. I'm using Beyond sausage. Of course, you can use sausage or real bacon. I've got my grease hot. And my sausages are cut up. They're going in to cook. You would cook bacon for about 10 minutes. And then afterwards, you're going to take it out. Cook the vegetables without the meat. Then we're going to add the meat again at the end. This isn't going to have to cook 10 minutes being fake meat, but now of course if it was real meat, you probably would cook the sausage about 10 minutes also. I'm going to cube my potatoes. Alright, we've got our sausage pulled out. I'm going to throw in my potatoes that I peeled. You can leave your peeling on if you like. Personal preference. They'll cook just as good with the peeling on. If you need more grease, add it. And if you're doing these vegetarian, I would recommend that you do half butter and half oil. I just think it makes it taste better to have butter mixed in. I'm a butter person when I cook. So we're going to get our potatoes. We've got red bell pepper and some red onion. And since I'm using spicy sausage and I'm out of jalapenos, it's going to be okay since I've got the spice. And here comes my cabbage. Now, if you're in a hurry, you can buy those bags of cabbage, and you can use those. Just however you want to do it. A lot of times when I'm in a hurry, I'll use a bag of cabbage, and I'll even use a bag of hash browns. So I'm going to salt and pepper this, and it's going to simmer on low for about 20, maybe 15 minutes. And I'm going to stir every now and then. Put a little salt on, some pepper. I'm going to throw in some red pepper flakes. And I'm going to turn it down and cover. I'm adding just a little bit of water because you don't want it to stick. It's kind of steaming as the potatoes brown. Stir occasionally. Throwing in a little bit of garlic at the end. I'm just cheating and using some already minced up with just one fresh clove. I like these little jars. And then I'm going to put in my meat now. This is where you put back in your bacon or your sausage or your hot dog. We even do this with hot dogs sometimes. So now with the garlic and the meat, it's going to cook for about 3 more minutes. And all told, this didn't take 30 minutes total, including browning the meat. It's a really great one-pot dinner for the middle of the week if you're in a hurry. So we're going to turn it down and let it sit for just another minute or two. Alright, this is ready to serve. You can also put grated carrot in here if you'd like, along when you do the bell pepper and the onion. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.